Good morning traders, and welcome to this morning's Smart Trade Daily Market Opportunity. In today's opportunity we'll be looking at the Euro Japanese Yen. I'm on the daily time frame and we'll be taking a long trade at the market price of 159.47. Now before entering my trade, I just want to bring to your attention a couple of moving averages which we've already applied to the chart. 50 period moving average in blue. And as you can see from the chart, that price is held well above the 200 for most of the duration from 2022. And the 50 period price just pops in and out, but we're now sitting quite nicely above the average, ready for the next move to the upside. I've just scrunched up the chart, and what I'd like to point out with this particular pair is, and this is what's causing all the excitement, is the fact that we are approaching the multi-year highs here in 1998, and we've also got in target the highs which were made in 2008 up at the level of 169. That is what traders are aiming for. First port of call will be this level here, which I'm going to now mark up for you by drawing a line. That's at the 162 area, and the higher level, which we're just going to tag the tops of those candles in order to indicate the level that we'll be aiming for in this particular trade. So let's just come back to the daily time frame, and we can have a look at how we can approach this particular trading idea. As you can see, price is now sitting already on the level at 159, so the support is already there, which means we can go into the market, and I'll be adding my buy signal into the market now, around about 159.43 currently showing. And the initial impact of this particular trade should be that we push towards the check sign of 162. I'd like to take out around about 50% of my trade at that level, and then the rest of the trade I'd like to run forward to 167. That's the multi-year high, taking us back to 2008. Now of course we will need a stop on this trade, and in order to give us a sensible reward to risk ratio, what I'll be doing is just putting that trade in on the level there around about 157.06, and it gives us on the first initial 50% of the push around about a 1-for-1 reward to risk ratio. If we take into account the second 50%, we'll be looking towards a 2.5 to 3 to 1 reward to risk ratio. So just to recap on the trade, then, it's the Euro Japanese Yen daily time frame. Going in at the market price of 159, we'll be taking out 50% at 162, the further 50% at 167. And the premise of the trade is that price is still trending to the upside. European Central Bank, Bank of Japan, is still accepting the weak yen against the dollar and the Japanese yen. We can see that this price is typically held quite nicely above the 50 and the 200 moving average. And until we get a downturn in that particular area, we should then still be looking for long side trading opportunities. So that was the trading idea for today from Smart Trade. Hope you enjoyed that, and look forward to speaking to you on tomorrow's live Forex video training update.